Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn and discuss the multiplication of mixed number. So for our example, we have 2 and 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 and 1 over 5. So for this example, the whole number that is 2 and 1 and the fraction that is a 1 over 5 and 1 over 5. So for this example, it is called a mixed fraction or mixed number because it is composed of a whole number and a fraction. So for this example, our solution would be different from addition and subtraction of mixed number. First, we're going to convert this mixed number 2 and 1 over 5 into a improper fraction. Then we're going to convert this 1 and 1 over 5 into improper fraction also. So we have 2 and 1 over 5. In order to convert this into improper fraction, first, copy natin yung denominator na 5. Tapos we multiply 2 times 5, that is 10. So, ginawa lang nating fraction yung whole number na 2 because 10 divide 5, that is equal to 2. Tapos add lang natin yung fraction na 1 over 5. So, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5 since this is a similar fraction. So, for this mixed number, 2 and 1 over 5, ito yung kanyang improper fraction, 11 and 11 over 5. So, secondly, convert natin yung 1 and 1 over 5 into improper fraction. First, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So, we have 5. Tapos, we multiply 1 times 5, that is 5. Because 5 divide 5, that is still equal to 1. So, parang ginawa lang nating fraction yung whole number na 1. Tapos, add lang natin yung fraction na 1 over 5. That is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. So, for this mixed number, our improper fraction is 6 over 5. Then we proceed to multiplication of these two fractions. We have first 11 over 5 tapos meron tayong 6 over 5. So in multiplication of fraction, we have numerator to numerator tapos we multiply denominator to denominator. So we have 11 times 6, that is 66. Tapos 5 times 5, that is 25. So this number, 66 and 25 can be 66 and 25 cannot be divided or it is not divisible by any number. So ang improper fraction na 66 over 25, gawin natin itong mixed number. So we have a whole number tapos meron tayong fraction. In order to determine kung ano yung whole number na makuha natin in dividing 66 and 25, so gagamit tayo ng calculator. So we have 66 divide 25, that is equal to 2.64. Bali, ang i-consider lang natin is itong whole number na 2, tapos disregard lang natin yung 0.64. So 66 divide 25, ang makuha natin na whole number is 2, tapos we multiply 2, 25, that is 50. Tapos we subtract 66 minus 25, that is 16. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 25. So for this example, our answer is 2 and 1 over 25.